Aloha guys, this is Karlie Thoma from Ohana in Paradise Real Estate Group. Today we're going to talk a little bit about how to navigate through our website. So when we were first beginning to design our website, we wanted to make it extremely user-friendly, and that's exactly what we did. So obviously, if you're on our YouTube channel and you're interested in Maui real estate, well, you've come to the right place. So as you can see, our homepage, super easy to use menu. We have our phone number over here. We have a login sign up button. So the really cool thing about the sign up button is you can save your favorite listings and come back to them another time. So basically you can be really organized with what you're searching, what you like, what you don't like, and kind of have it right there all in one place. So right here, Experience Maui Real Estate, you can easily search by address, city, neighborhood, zip code, MLS number. And you just enter that information right here and click search. So one of my favorite parts about our website is this very interactive map. This map is super cool because it separates each side of the island to make it really easy to pick where you want to be on Maui. So we're going to go ahead and click North Shore. So as you can see, there's 37 active listings on the North Shore of Maui, all right here on this map, and you can also scroll here to view more information. So we're going to click this property as a test. So here we have the listing photos. If you click, you can maximize the image, high quality photos, and right here to the right is the listing agent's notes about the property. If you scroll down, you want to make sure sometimes the listing agent will have a virtual video tour. So you can click on this link and it'll take you to probably YouTube or Vimeo, and you can go ahead and see that virtual tour. Obviously, if you have any questions, you can put your information right there and we'll get back to you. And another cool thing about our website is our mortgage calculator. It's really cool because you can see, what your monthly mortgage could be on this property. So we'll go back to the home page. And basically, we make it super easy for you to use. If you are looking for an oceanfront property, we have a link for that. Luxury property, we have a link for that. And we even have specially picked properties for you as well. Scroll down a little bit more. It's a little bit more information about Judy and I, mother and daughter real estate group. And of course, finding out the value of your home. It's really easy. Just click this button to get started. So I hope you guys can find what you're looking for here on our website at ohanainparadise.com. If you have any questions, you can always call us or email us. We're here to help you. Aloha.